At Rokenbok Education, we know that all children are designers, and that's something worth fostering, because just snapping two blocks together opens up a world of possibilities. If you can snap blocks together, you can learn to read a plan sheet and build something fun. If you can build something fun, try creating something functional, like a hammer. Is your hammer strong? Can you make it stronger? What about a gear train? One that trades torque for speed to power a fan. If you can master gears, you're ready for simple machines. Go hands-on, build a pulley, and calculate mechanical advantage. If you can understand a tricky topic like mechanical advantage, you're ready for 3D printing. Design and create a brand new Rokenbok component. 3D printing will come in handy when you tackle remote control robotics. Explore what it's like to build, test, and iterate your very own robot. Things rarely work the first time. That's okay. You can design and engineer robots. You're ready to write your first line of code. Let's automate your build with snap-in sensors. Great job! Now you can see like a designer and think like an engineer. You have the skills and confidence to change the world.